Hi, good afternoon students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Dear students, don't go out of your home and stay home and be healthy. Students, today let's start chemistry part, that is acids and bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. In this chapter, today I am going to start from chemistry part. Okay? Acids, bases and salts. First of all, you have to learn what is mean by acids. What is mean by acids? What are the physical properties are there and what are the chemical properties are there? And let's see the bases. Okay, dear students, first of all, we have to study the physical properties of acids. Physical properties of acids. Physical properties means physical appearance. The first point, let's see, the acids are sour in taste. 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 Sour in taste. Whenever we taste that will be a sour. Understand? So, acids are sour in taste. What's the taste of acids? Sour. And the next physical property, whenever we test with the help of litmus paper, already you know the meaning of litmus, already you have studied in a 7th standard. Litmus is a type of natural indicator. It is a type of natural indicator that we are used to check whether it is a acid or base. Whenever that litmus paper is dipped into the acids, that blue litmus paper is turns into the red litmus. So only two colors will be available. That is a blue and a red. Understand? Blue litmus and a red litmus. Blue litmus and a red litmus. Among these two colors, whenever blue litmus is dipped into the acids, it turns into the red color. Red color, that are called acids. Understand? So that is the next property, that is acids turns blue litmus to red. Acid turns blue litmus to red litmus. That are acids. And the next property, acids are completely undergo dissociates to give more H plus ions. Acids dissociates to give H plus ions in water. H plus ions in water. Whenever acids are dissolved in water, acids are dissociates in water or dissolved in water, it break down and to form a H plus ions. H plus ions. That is called acids. Understand? Acids are dissociates in water to form a H plus ions, and acids to turns into the red color, and acids are there in the sour in taste. And one more property, acids corrodes metals. Acids corrode metals. Corrode means what? Already last class you have learnt in chemical reactions and equation meaning of corrosion. Is it right? Corrosion means the metals undergo destroy. Metals are undergo destroy or spoil whenever we kept into that in the out of that air, or whenever that is moisture, that time it reacts with oxygen present in the atmosphere, or it reacts with water, it's going to water destroy. That process is called corrosion. These acids also corrode the metal. Whenever acids are poured in on the surface of metals undergo spoil or destroy. These are the some physical properties of acids. Let's see some examples. Before going to example, once again I will see. See, acids turns into the blue litmus to red litmus, and acids are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. Acids turns blue litmus to red litmus, and acids dissociate to give H plus ions. Acids dissociate to give H plus ions, and acids corrode the metals. Acids corrode the metals. Let's see now some examples. Examples of acids. See, acids we can classify two types, that is a strong acids and a weak acids. Strong acids and weak acids. What is meant by strong acids? The acids which undergo complete dissociation, completely dissociates in water and to form a more H plus ion, that are called strong acids. Understand? Example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid, and H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, and HNO3, that is a nitric acid. These are the strong acids. Whenever we dissociates in HCl is going to undergo dissociation in water to form a more H plus ions, and sulfuric also whenever we put it into the water. These three are the strong acids. Understand? And let's see now weak acid. Weak acid means, strong acid means complete dissociation in water, that is called strong acid. Weak acid means incomplete dissociation, incompletely dissociates and give less H plus ions, that is called weak acid. Example, citric acid and oxalic acid and acetic acid. Yes, acetic acid. These are the examples of some weak. These are the some examples of weak acid. Dear students, these are some important examples for acids. Okay, you have to write acids chemical name and its molecular formulas. Understand? So let's see in the next class bases, about properties of bases and its examples. Okay.